हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज जानिबा कॉलेज रिलेटेड डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। चलो स्टार्ट करिबा। समस्तंकु शुभ सकाल। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तुमे समस्ते किपरि अछ? हाउ आर यू ऑल? हाउ आर यू ऑल? आमे भलो अछु। तुम विषय रे कुह। We are good. Tell us about you. We are good. Tell us about you. ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭଲ ଅଛି। I am also good. I am also good. ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ପଢ଼? In which school do you study? In which school do you study? ତୁମେ କେଉଁ କଲେଜରେ ପଢ଼? In which college do you study? In which college do you study? ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ପଢ଼? In which class do you study? In which class do you study? ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ବସୁଛ? In which class do you sit? In which class do you sit? ମୁଁ ଏକାଦଶ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ପଢ଼େ। I study in 11th class. I study in 11th class. ମୁଁ ସ୍କୁଲର ପ୍ରଥମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ଅଛି। I am in first class of school. I am in first class of school. ମୁଁ କଲେଜର ପ୍ରଥମ ବର୍ଷରେ ପଢ଼େ। I am in first year of college. I am in first year of college. ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ପଢ଼ୁଛ? Which course are you studying? Which course are you studying? ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ବିଷୟ ପଢ଼? Which subject do you study? Which subject do you study? ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ବିଷୟ ପଢ଼ୁଛ? Which subject are you studying? Which subject are you studying? ତୁମର ପ୍ରିୟ ବିଷୟ କେଉଁଟି? Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject? ତୁମର ପ୍ରିୟ ଶିକ୍ଷକ କିଏ? Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? ଚାଲ ଆଜି କିଛି ଖେଳିବା। Let's play something today. Let's play something today. ତୁମେ କେଉଁ ଖେଳ ଖେଳିବ? Which game will you play? Which game will you play? ତୁମର ପ୍ରିୟ ଖେଳ କେଉଁଟି? Which is your favorite game? Which is your favorite game? ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ। I like play cricket. I like play cricket. ତୁମର କଲେଜ କେତେ ଦୂର? How far is your college? How far is your college? ତୁମର ସ୍କୁଲ କେତେ ଦୂର? How far is your school? How far is your school? ତୁମର କଲେଜ ଘରଠାରୁ କେତେ ଦୂର? How far is your college from home? How far is your college from home? ତୁମ ସ୍କୁଲ ଘରଠାରୁ କେତେ ଦୂର? How far is your school from home? How far is your school from home? ଆମ କଲେଜ ଘରଠାରୁ 10 କିଲୋମିଟର ଦୂରରେ। Our college 10 kilometer far from home. Our college 10 kilometer far from home. तुम्हें प्रतिदिन कॉलेज जाओगी? Do you go to college daily? Do you go to college daily? चलो कैंटीन जीवा. Let's go to canteen. Let's go to canteen. पाठागार केउटी. Where is the library? Where is the library? तुम्हें कहा सहित कॉलेज जाओ? With whom do you go to college? With whom do you go to college? तुम्हें कहा सहित स्कूल को जाउछ? With whom are you going to college? With whom are you going to college? तुमरा केउं श्रेणी? Which is your class? Which is your class? ମୁଁ ସାଇକେଲରେ କଲେଜ ଯାଏ. I go to college by cycle. I go to college by cycle. ତୁମର କେଉଁ କଲମ? Which pen is yours? Which pen is yours? ତୁମର କେଉଁ pencil? Which is your pencil? Which is your pencil? ସେ ଆମର ନୂତନ ସହପାଠୀ. He is our new classmate. He is our new classmate. ତୁମେ କେବେ କଲେଜ ଯିବ? When will you go to college? ମୁଁ ଏହି ବିଷୟ ବୁଝିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ. I did not understand this topic. I did not understand this topic. ତୁମେ କେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯାଅ? At what time do you go to school? At what time do you go to school? ତୁମେ କେତେବେଳେ କଲେଜ ଯାଅ? At what time do you go to college? At what time do you go to college? କାଲି ଦେଖା ହେବା. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.